What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of arc of cosecant negative x squared. You know the derivative of arc cosecant x is negative 1 over absolute function of x times square root of x squared minus 1, and derivative of arc cosecant u, when u is the function of x, is negative u prime over absolute function of u times u squared minus 1. So in this case u is negative x squared, which means that u prime is negative 2x. So derivative of arc cosecant of negative x squared will be negative times negative 2x over absolute function of negative x squared times square root of negative x squared to the power of 2 minus 1, which will be 2x over x squared, because absolute function is going to return x squared, square root of x to the power of 4 minus 1. That's the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.